Greetings.
So yesterday was red, today's yellows and oranges.
Yeah, and yesterday was compost, and today these bark chips. But I did some.
What's that?
Well, my prize new wheelbarrow, I poked it with the pitchfork, the tire. I have a flat tire.
That's fixable. Is there an inner tube?
See, it's just, yeah, there's an inner tube. So,
We got a bike store close by.
yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it there. But I guess to take it off, I have to get a screwdriver out, take this whole piece off. I mean, how dumb can you be? Anyway.
Oh, there's worse accidents than that.
Uh,
That's a small one.
I think that's the sort of thing that you do the first day you have it, you know. I wouldn't have done it on the second day. So, want to see where this is going?
Yeah.
Okay, we've got a nice little road here. Not too heavy. What I like about a little wheelbarrow. More trips, but less heavy. So this is kind of hard with a flat tire. But here we go. This cloth underneath is to prevent the weeds from coming through. Otherwise, see how these raspberries are, they come up all over the place. But this will prevent them from doing that. So, there we go. About 5 inches of bark. And you know I'm dangerous now with these rakes. And one more load. So this was my ambition for today. Because I started out here. I've done all that and that path there. I guess about 12 or 14 wheelbarrow loads.